Selecting the right door for your Pasadena home is an important decision that can affect both the curb appeal and functionality of your property. With so many different styles, materials, and features to consider, choosing the right door may seem like a daunting task. However, with the right information and a clear understanding of your needs, you can find a door that complements your home's design, provides security, and meets your budget. Here's a guide to help you choose the perfect door for your Pasadena home. Consider the door's function. Before diving into styles and materials, it's important to consider the specific function of the door you're replacing or installing. Are you looking for a front entry door, a patio door, or perhaps a door for a side entrance or interior space? Each type of door has different requirements and features that you'll want to consider. For example, a front entry door is typically the first thing guests notice when they arrive at your home, so it needs to make a statement. On the other hand, a patio door should prioritize easy access to your outdoor space and provide plenty of natural light. Understanding the primary function of the door will help you narrow down your choices and ensure that you select a door that meets your practical needs. Evaluate the material. The material of the door plays a crucial role in its durability, appearance, and energy efficiency. Each material offers distinct advantages, and understanding these will help you make an informed decision. Here are some popular door materials to consider for your Pasadena home. Wood. Wooden doors are classic and offer a warm, natural look that enhances your home's curb appeal. They can be highly customizable with various finishes, colors, and designs. However, wood doors require regular maintenance, including painting or staining, to protect them from the elements. In Pasadena, where temperatures can fluctuate, it's important to ensure that your wooden door is properly sealed to prevent warping or damage. Steel. Steel doors are a popular choice for entry doors due to their strength, security, and energy efficiency. They are durable and require less maintenance than wood doors, making them a low-maintenance option for homeowners. Steel doors are also highly secure, providing excellent protection against break-ins. While they are not as customizable as wood doors, they offer great insulation to help reduce energy costs in your Pasadena home. Fiberglass. Fiberglass doors combine the best features of wood and steel. They are energy efficient, low maintenance, and highly durable, with resistance to weathering, warping, and rotting. Fiberglass doors can be designed to mimic the appearance of wood, giving you the aesthetic appeal of wood without the upkeep. If you're looking for a door that will last for many years with minimal maintenance, a fiberglass door may be the right choice for your Pasadena home. Aluminum. Aluminum doors are lightweight, durable, and resistant to corrosion, making them ideal for homes in coastal areas where saltwater and moisture can cause other materials to degrade. These doors are also energy efficient and can be made with thermal breaks to improve insulation. However, aluminum doors are generally less customizable than other materials. Think about style and design. The design of your door should complement your home's overall style and architecture. Pasadena is known for its mix of traditional and modern homes, and there are many door designs to choose from that can fit various aesthetics. Some popular door styles include traditional. If you live in a traditional style home, you may want to consider a classic panel door design, which adds a timeless appeal to your entryway. These doors are simple yet elegant and can be customized with glass inserts or side lights to increase natural light. Contemporary. For a modern or contemporary home, sleek, minimalist doors with clean lines, large glass panels, or bold colors may be the right choice. Glass doors or large windows can create a striking focal point and enhance your home's modern appeal while letting in more natural light. Craftsman. If your home follows a craftsman or bungalow style, a door with decorative details, such as stained glass or unique hardware, may be the perfect match. Craftsman doors often feature intricate woodwork and complement the handcrafted, earthy feel of these types of homes. Rustic. For homes with a more rustic or farmhouse feel, a solid wood door with a weathered finish or unique textures may suit your taste. You might also consider barn-style doors, which add character and charm to a space. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a key factor to consider when choosing a door for your Pasadena home, especially given the region's hot summers and mild winters. A well-insulated door can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, reduce energy bills, and prevent drafts. Look for doors with insulated cores or energy-efficient glass options. Double or triple glazed glass can help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter by preventing heat transfer. Additionally, doors with high-quality weather stripping and seals will ensure that your home stays energy efficient. Security features. Security is one of the most important factors when choosing a door for your home. For entry doors, choose materials and features that provide the best protection. Steel and fiberglass doors, in particular, are known for their security, but you should also look for additional security features such as strong locks, reinforced frames, and security glazing. Additionally, ensure that your door has proper weather stripping and tight seals around the frame to prevent forced entry. If you live in a high-traffic or high-risk area in Pasadena, it may also be worth considering a door with smart technology features, such as a keyless entry system or video doorbell, for added security and convenience. Budget and maintenance. Lastly, consider your budget and long-term maintenance requirements when selecting a door. Wooden doors may require more upkeep, including regular painting or staining, while fiberglass and steel doors are lower maintenance options. While steel and fiberglass doors may have a higher upfront cost, they often offer long-term value due to their durability and energy efficiency. Keep in mind that choosing a high-quality, durable door may cost more initially, but it can save you money in the long run by reducing maintenance and energy expenses. Conclusion. Choosing the right door for your Pasadena home is an investment that can enhance both the beauty and functionality of your space. By considering factors such as material, style, energy efficiency, security, and maintenance, you can find a door that suits your needs and complements your home's design. Whether you're looking for a classic wood door, a modern fiberglass option, or a sturdy steel model, taking the time to evaluate your choices will ensure you select the perfect door to welcome guests and protect your home for years to come.